In today's challenge, spot the only JDM car in this.
I mean, probably in the toy section, you'll find one.
Nah, it's looking all classic, dude.
Oh yeah, toy section. Let's see one. I see the Charger.
You parked down here too? I had to.
This still comes around. So, they got some cool stuff. It's gotta be fun.
Yeah.
One of those with a little.
Why is there
Put the one NCFE in there.
MR2 Spider up ahead?
Yeah.
Yeah, look what's coming.
Don't tell me it's in the Parker.
It's moving.
Oh.
Lizzie Rudolph and Gary Below.
Yeah,
It's
well,
a tough
Most of my
color,
time in Orange County.
You gotta be really.
Did you ever really consider, I know
Oh,
you
it's
ran
a
the modified a
facelift.
few times, but did you ever consider going modified racing
Facelift
before you got
model.
involved with
Nice.
the open wheel stuff?
This really has
That was
its
the
own
plan.
vibe.
Yeah.
Until
If I would have known, I would have brought the old lady.
HID headlights. Nice. Yeah.
Is
Spider.
that a factory emblem? MRT Spider?
Yeah. It's MRS in Japan.
Oh,
Yeah.
so I'm wrong.
What?
I keep calling it MRS because I used to play Gran Turismo 3 all the time.
No,
I
MRS
keep
is
calling them.
MRS is the Japanese name, and MR2 Spider is the American name, I guess. Let's go this way. I think it's up that way. Fire truck on a fire truck.
Oh, next to the Buick Grand National.
Oh yeah.
It's like, that's my dream garage. that eclectic of a mix. Brother,
Hey now.
watch it have a case on.
Case swap? Finally, 2ZZ.
Yeah, Lois is first super covers. Nice. Blue like that?
The supercharged. That's the one that still
That's
Rolla.
the BOE kit?
Yeah, it's the one still Rolla is using.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's
Just looking at
that's the benefit of going Corolla over Celica, the tall hood. Because
That wouldn't clear, huh?
That
That wouldn't clear.
You could cut the hood if you want.
There's,
It's designed for a tall hood.
there is also the 1ZZ supercharger Celica hood.
Yeah,
The one that has a hump.
it's ugly. I think it's ugly. I've seen a couple of Celicas with like hoods modified to clear.
Yeah.
It depends on how bad you want it. If you're willing to cut the hood. Yeah, there goes the Porsche. Been seeing more and more Porsche.
Porsche.
There's a 4-cylinder. We've got an 8-cylinder. That's very interesting. So I'm guessing low 5s for 0 to 60 around there somewhere? Supposedly you can become
This truck, like a sporty version, although that's not. It's about the low life.
Oh, tubs.
Tubs rolled
Wide tubs.
Look at that glass. Well, let's see the real deal. gotta be.
What? There you go. This is JDM's, man.
Yeah, I work on them. I buy them.
Like American
Oh,
style.
HIDs.
You got a pin-up door with the oil patch on it.
But it's the it's not the 100. It's like a year after that.
The ballast for the HIDs. Oh, I didn't know they go mounted right there.
Four-cylinder.
I think it looks like a ballast for the HIDs.
And then they can do it. I think they really did the 106 for 1 or 2 years, and then it went to 3,000.
I think some of these had electric dampers.
Slightly longer.
Top secret shift knob.
That Corolla steering wheel, I guarantee you it's that.
Probably.
Dude, that is the same exact wheel as the Corollas. I'm telling you, dude.
We saw a lot of super taillights today. These happen to be.
Yeah, I told you the other ones weren't facelift. They were pre-facelift because these have the lines across them.
Hot Rod Lincoln and everybody else in the
So this is a,
You're good, proud to be with
So
you
this
for
is
our
a later
14th
year.
annual. Some of our sponsors, Coldwell Banker, Warrenville Hardware.
yeah, those are the sought-after
Warren
taillights.
Bagel, Deli King.
And this,
Does he have the JV?
Trophies up here today. We're going to present them around 2:45 this
Probably not
afternoon.
going for JV.
Alpha Graphics
They
as
call them
well, all part of the
supermarket.
14th annual this year's show.
this though,
Dedicated to our friend and founder, Ken Brennan. Hi there, Ken. Boots out here. We're going to check with some local talent out of the Bridgewater area. These are the fabulous Razorbacks.
I think that's a 2.5. That's big.
wow.
That's crazy. It's got dual
Don't you
use.
just know?
And-
Big Bopper Gold Grade 58. We sent that one out to JJ Santini, putting that one on by request. Plenty of room for your input, ladies and gents.
That's funny.
It's one of the most danceable records ever recorded. It's by Thurston Harris and the Shuffles.
I'm gonna post a picture.
It's called Little Bitty Pretty One.
I'm gonna post a picture of him going like this.
Like all American. What is that Civic Si doing at a place? Jeez. That is the most out of place car. They should have put that over there with the other the Skyline and the Supra.
Is it a Type R?
Oh, it's a Type R. It's a Type R. The badge is in the front.
This is the most modded Type R I've seen in a minute.
Oh, I'm
The
sorry.
cylinder head looks really big, right? Bigger than the cylinder.
K20C. Oh,
That's the feature.
aftermarket and motor mounts. Catch can. Turbo blanket.
Isn't it interesting? A cover for the.
Oh, the top tower. Strut top tower, I guess you would call it.
So it's probably so stiff it doesn't need one. Or. I don't know, right?
Yeah,
These are stock seats like that?
yeah, stock seats.
What about the steering wheel?
Stock.
That looks dope.
Yeah, it's stock.
It's like a spaceship in there.
I've done PDIs on this, pre-delivery inspections, and then we get to test drive in 5 miles.
Damn. C28s.
Nice.
I'd love to get some.
No, not the original tips.
No. I'm not too. I'm not sure about the 3 tips on these.
comes factory like that.
Yeah, I know. It's just me being an old man.